Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HealthCare.gov account for ACA plan updates, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.healthcare.gov and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Once both fields are filled, click the login button. If you prefer, you can check the box for Remember Me to stay logged in on that device. If you've forgotten your username or password, click on the appropriate link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. After logging in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your current plan details and make updates as needed. To update your plan, locate the Your Plans section. Click on the option that allows you to make changes. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your ACA plan as necessary. Remember to save any changes you have made before exiting. Once you finish, log out of your account for security. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged in and updated your HealthCare.gov account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.